The Shark RV1001AE IQ Robot Self-Empty XL is a smart robotic vacuum built for fully automated hands-free cleaning. With intelligent navigation, self-emptying capability, and app control, it's designed for busy households that want minimal effort with consistent cleaning results. Powerful suction for carpets and hard floors. It delivers strong suction power capable of handling dust, crumbs, and pet hair on both carpets and hard floors. This makes it suitable for mixed flooring environments. Wi-Fi connectivity and app control. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can control the vacuum using the Shark Clean app, schedule cleanings, stop remotely, and monitor progress. It also works with Amazon Alexa, enabling voice control for hands-free operation, automatic recharge and resume. When the battery runs low, the robot automatically returns to its dock, recharges, and then resumes cleaning where it left off, ensuring full coverage without manual intervention. Overall, the Shark RV1001AE IQ Robot Self-Empty XL is an excellent choice for users who want automated, low-maintenance cleaning with smart features. With its self-emptying system, app control, and reliable performance, it's ideal for busy homes, pet owners, and anyone looking to reduce daily cleaning effort.